Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can make Dynobot say anything in your server. So first of all, go to Dynobot's website, and here after logging in, click on manage servers. Then select the server of your choice, and after that click on modules on left side, and here you will see custom commands, and click on settings. Click on add command, and here you can type in any word in the name section. It will be used while commanding Dynobot. So let's use say here, and in the command type in $1 plus. Make sure that it is $1 plus, and then select delete command on options, and then just click on add command, and it is successfully added. Now go to your server, and here you can use your prefix, then type in the word that we used while making that command, and type any word, and it will be turned out that it is the Dynobot which is saying these words, but the words are actually yours. So you can type in anything using Dynobot. So that's how you can make Dynobot say anything on your server. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.